Please, are you the one behind this?
Yes.
And I see a bigger one over here.
Yeah.
You're also the one behind this one?
Yes, certainly.
And the other ones as well. Actually, we're going to concentrate on our attention on these two outside here. Right after that, the rest, we're going to also have time on them, talk about them all before we leave here. My brother, what's your name?
So my name is...
You hold this one for me. Okay.
And I'm also known as Pasgate.
So how are you able to do all these over here? How do you do it?
It's actually amazing.
Wow.
Especially with two small kids, you can imagine.
Oh, okay, wow.
Yeah.
So one can take this and then trade away as well. Oh my goodness.
This is an agric drone, this is a camera drone. We develop it into product our people here and even outside should be able to acquire it and also use it. No, the independence is what I look at. The ability for you to be able to have control over whatever you are using.
So you do all this in your room?
Yes, in my room, basically.
Without any showroom. Wow. My big brother, let's assume someone watches this particular video. He has interest in your talent. He wants to sponsor you, but he's ready to take you outside Ghana, to go sponsor you outside Ghana, for you to do more over there. Are you ready?
It's a possibility.
Okay.
You just have to consider, I mean, the ins and outs and advantages and disadvantages.
Okay.
Now I'm a family man too, so.
Okay.
Yeah, but
you have a wife, right?
Yes.
How many kids?
Two kids.
2 kids. Wow.
Yeah.
Very good.
Two little kids.
Yeah, 2 little kids. All right. So, Mr. Gideon, you can start flying any of these. I think the smaller ones.
One,
yes.
Fly this for now.
Okay. Wow.
So let me see if it's on. Okay, it's on.
So you tell us how we do it all, and then.
Okay. So this is quite simple.
I've seen a switch over here.